Bafana. Who the home compare Kuffuor? Whoa, so wuti way.
Ebe mira kakra bes.
Abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabi na so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e between the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
Bafana. Who the home compare Kuffuor? Whoa, so wuti way.
Ebe mira kakra bes ne koni. Ena me hu si ade abrantie we e video e tag me. Na me decide say me nka nipa binumu say ho asem. Aha. Nipa wadi mfinhia aduasa na ne be me da na han mu woni mu mfaso e wo so me decide say kwaku e boa me nka na asem an ya na eja omodam eja sankrofo no eja omodam nipa bi a wanya mfinhia aduasa ekọ na ne be me da na han ohunu sa konwa ayetena so wonim ne ye de ye ne wiase no eya na omo wa adwenum hawo timi ye ma adwene se be ma we me nka na asem ena 25 ana me hu ni video ne nsem a wokan mu fa Ghana mampani abedi akire dada Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bomiane ne yire ebiso mampani Kuffuor so ya ka kire NDC aban aka kire y0u John Dramani Mahama say na Ghana politics akoduru dia bibia ni ho ai pani bia nkwa na ho megie emedi wo man we so nkotena fie nya asomdwie enne ba bia Ghana politics akoduru IGP okrom ha Ghana police forte ha yenhodu abrantie we responsible bia na oti krom ha edidi enom edadia ena say ne Ghana politics na koduru dia ene edisa se MPP ma aban mu biemu ni ye mema NDC fo due ne yakọ se nyankopon ani mu ho afofie na mu kọ opposition dia ene mesi ye mu bi no yankasa ye government no be chi atum okurum ha ye mu bi yankasa ya ban no obechi ajeli ye okurum ha se na Ghana politics ya koduru sa brantie we asabi ne kotie dana ham onnim ne ye de kotie ye etimi di Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bomiane ne yire mampani Kuffuor ampani dada Kuffuor atem okrom ha de a ene ye Ghana mpanimfo a mudi wo man we so na mu brebe so sa mampani dada de munya asomdwe okrom ha aha igolo bia no ate obia nim disam ka nim nyansasam ka okrom ha yempo de ye befira ne ntoma na nsam bia ye beka ne kuro yi mu no ebia wote wa uti ebeti afiri so uti bedwa wa ma ebeti afiri wo kon so yatumi agyan akwa we IGP okrom ha atumi agyan akwa we adidi mampani dada Kuffuor atem Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bomiane ne yira tem kwa adi aye nyina e okrom ha bibia ni ho ai emabunu ne maya monka makoma ntomo yam na ye yankwasiafo sans chance ankwasiafo we mu ya jimi ya bodam chance ankwasiafo we ti monka makoma ntomo yam na dwomama onni wo man we so akopim se Kristo beba bibia besesa nyankopon emaye monka makoma ntomo yam na mo de mompe nsuo bi enom na mona
and branded and called Dr. Baumia a liar. They continue saying it. And they affirmed it deep. Say, why a liar. A potential flag bearer then. Jamaica what I say. But, when we said that they should also go and apologize, have they apologized? They haven't. But Dr. Bawumia creating pressure, he say, as a party, the sofa, you don't do that. When you go to the social media, the people that supported to work in the Japan, that I know, the people that we chat with, they are all angry. They are all angry and not supporting the interview that he did. Because gradually, one share a Bemana Lusu, your friend say, Abaya unpopular. And it's becoming unpopular in the party. Because interview be about granted piano as a set some projects as a settings. What the hell? Minimum galamse, you go for nine galamse. Yatia ya kuntoka baby galamse to yatia. We are fighting and looking for the people that do galamse. If you don't bring it out there, name them. Let us go for them. Because we are fighting galamse in this country. And Kuffuor bought Ghana Krono also with him no. Mayahunu. Let us know the people that corrupted this country. I will bring them on. We and discuss it because we are anti-corruption crusader. Now so what the show that the biasana abekadia. Now ya koye settings. It's like either you have a skeleton in your cupboard that you are protecting yourself and maybe NDC wouldn't come for you, or you don't want Dr. Bawumia to become a president at all costs. That is the beer mentality because he said you are not better. So if you are not better there, I'll take the bitterness of the first moment to be see. All right. You understand? So please, what do you say as member? Yeah? Professor Michael Quay report. Michael Quay report. It was revealed that Mr. Kennedy Japan should be removed from the party by two President Kuffuor and some other big ways. No. If they do that, the timing is wrong. And when you party back Aboa party, so that suggestion was wrong. Now they have intercepted videos and audios. The party wanted to have a press conference to show to Ghanaians, reveal it, statement on all that, right, to set as an actuality, to justify why they want to
chino mind Ghana ho. And the woman jini ko etira. Nanke woman betina si ehuni say. Ewana woman da market and woman ni baby da. And nintina woman aye woman adwene say woman beda market. Inti se sa na te dia sa ankofo we to aba. Edi tie NPP government say woman pe change, woman pa hoto, woman pe nyuma ye. Such a way as our marketplaces in woman nkoda ho biem. And a woman did not say the two about the TMPP government. And a woman two about the NDC. And better non fine she say a pamegu or mammy. NDC by ye on fine she say a pubby and meguho. But be a meme dana minyashum bieka krana made two about TMPP na. Me two about the NDC and NDC by and will baby buno. It is anke NDC. I want to pa. And the massa youth na. Nan NDC betina say aka say oh. Sankofo ye womo da marketplaces ikura no womo ni babida inti me say sa womo da na ehemfa na womo ye de ehemfa na womo beda inti say sa na te dia ma menye fast na mempe dan ba aku bi amesi edi asi ho edi ama wona womo da marketplaces no set we ya me ikoko bubu womo a na me ikoma womo solution mi bubu no na me ma womo solution na me ka kira say mi bubu mi NDC government mi bubu wo dan no because mercy edan bi wa ha na kona eden kona tenam na ye ne nkakra na eden nya sika na fa kwa rent because market no yensi market ni se wo mum na medam yensi market ni se wo fa nton ade be na me se wonni babi danti na wa yusu a wo da ho eni nti na me NDC government medweno ho no ma si dan di asi wo nti me ba be ka tro se free market na wudam ni free na kona koda ha because baby a woda ne kora no automatically enye save. Sanken this government no womu jino man Ghana ho and womu jino youth no ho a na they will give them solution before they will destroy baby a womoda. Say wo koto anoma buo ho a ububu anuma buo na anoma no be de na wada obe chinchin nti wona wo mu ni sika wo mo de be rent dan na wo mo abobo kiosk o market wona wo mo da ho no automatically no wa ma wo mo ebia ma wo mo anda na bubu na wo bubu no automatically wo ka kire wo mo say wo mo nko ne number sabasa fa na e pa kire because obi biala ogini obi biala ho no obeji no hu ni say me say ade yi me ni ni amede be ma
je na da no si mu de bia ye ka ho asem oman we just yenim oman ni issue ayewo ko ye hwe ni ma papa na adan Kuffuor Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni na me yama mo na abusia na ke yensem pata de yensa kan serious so can in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders KBA the new patriotic party the leaders of the party KBA borrow omodom ko another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is because of time. But those ones yetimi component, go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look at say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me women say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. This is kind of kwa kaya de wasa botumi wo say oh, I mean say we say people for yakronfo. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals na mo so mo yakronfo. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo yakronfo. You say anya Ghana for dey. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokeke kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu with the greatest of respect. Omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Marketing men no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho. 2020 do they will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibi ni na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most open konketenkete. Is any one. You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me. Me na wo ne wo sia kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire Rajon Dramani ma say o mema was come to butu wa. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se dabi. Digitalization and to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. And the Rajon Dramani mama ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia and na gafo so okay ne beto aba na ma boom mo to aba ma kinki government etimi am
say dey ko ye kra de menu now to me hu letter bi a Kuffuor chro ye eba council of state member Volta region na me say fiam eh Remona Chapa ya hype ni say where ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwe ni letter now was say council of state member no wo former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya
juma order and onya juma order amanam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes, nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you be say o di pa ne boa.